In today's video, you'll learn how to configure the general settings of the Downloadio plugin. First of all, navigate to the settings page of the Downloadio plugin. Now, I'm going to walk you through the options available under the General tab. Let's start with the download method option. As you can see, there are three different types of download methods available to choose from. If you choose the force download or XXL redirect / xsend file method, then it will directly download the file. But as for the redirect to file method, it will open file in a new tab first. Then you can download it from your browser. Using the download limit option, you can specify how many times a user can download the files that are included in the item he or she purchased or has access to. Here you can set an expiry time in hours or days, after which the download link will expire and can no longer be accessed. The download availability option allows you to select the criteria of how the downloadable files will be available to download. If you select the file with URL, then the downloadable file must have a link. Otherwise, it won't be available for download or purchase. But if the option file with URL and without URL is selected, then the downloadable file will be available for download or purchase even if there is no link. Let's move on to the next option, which is called Allow User Proxy IP Address. If you enable the option, it will check whether any proxy IP is set for a user or not. When a proxy IP is found, it will be used to verify if a user's IP is blacklisted, as well as for creating a download log. In case there is no proxy IP set for a user, the main IP will be used. If you keep this option disabled, it will always use the main IP of a user, even if there is a proxy IP available. Enabling the Accept Privacy Policy to Download option will prompt users to accept the privacy policy via a checkbox before downloading or purchasing an item. The same goes for the Accept Terms and Conditions to Download option. If this option is enabled, users must accept the terms and conditions to be able to download or purchase an item. Once you are done making the necessary changes, click on the Save button to save the changes. In case you want to go back to the default settings for the General tab, click on the Reset Section button. So that's all for today's video. I hope now you know how to configure the general settings of the Downloadio plugin. Thank you.